Hey everyone, welcome back. So I've got lots of feedback about this new Python package that just been released. The name is called Huggify-Data. It's a Python package that's designed to simplify the process of scraping any PDF document. Previous version allow you to generate question answer pair, as well as to upload the data to the Hugging Face cloud. I've also posted this on LinkedIn. I've received lots of messages from all of you guys. I just want to say thank you and truly appreciate it. So recall previously, we have a local PDF somewhere in your directory, and we use this block of code to scrape the content. And then we use large language model to create a question answer pair. And then we're able to push the data onto the Hugging Face cloud. Now I have this new version released that allow you to fine tune a large language model. For example, in this case, you can take a Llama2 model and take the data that we scraped and pushed onto the Hugging Face cloud and to fine tune a Llama2 model over that customized data. So for example, this data set name, sample toy data version 9. I can show you what that looks like on this website. We talked about this question column and the answer column. Since this is a text generation model and fine-tuning strategy, we create a new column called text, and that has a format of 3 hashtags plus human, and then we have a question after that, and then another 3 hashtags plus assistant along with an answer. So the text generation is to take this whole paragraph as one sample and to learn the relationship and pattern of what's the next word after one another. So with that being said, this block of code will allow you to do that. You essentially create a Llama trainer model that's coming directly from the Huggify-Data library, and you can configure your own LoRa technique as well as the training arguments. And all you gotta do is run train model, and you're all set. In the end, you can say merge and save model. Now, here's a caveat. Due to memory constraint, the train model code might give you an out of memory error, but that's okay. This last line of code, merge and save model, is actually executing the task independently from previous code. So you'll be able to push the model that you trained directly from memory onto the cloud. And then in addition, on the left-hand side, you'll be able to see a new folder created with JSON file and a PyTorch file inside that contains a tokenizer as well as the model weights. Since this model name is User's Homeless Shelter WebScript Dataset v4, let's go on to the Hugging Face Cloud, and then let's check out the model. Here's a website under files and versions. You can see that the weights are here. So we are all set. Now, the last thing I want to show you guys is to make an inference. For example, here we have a new notebook. All you gotta do is use Transformers pipeline to create a pipeline using the same model directory. In this case, it's User's Homeless Shelter, WebScript Data version 4. And then you want to just send in a question. When you send in a question, make sure you follow the format 3 hashtags human, what is YSA, 3 hashtag assistant. It will give out the answer for you. You run this code, you realize that the generated text will actually give you the entire sentence. It takes what the user entered, which is the 3 hashtag human plus 3 hashtag assistant, and then it will write the answer for you in the end. YSA means youth spirit artwork. And then you can use this last line of code to extract the final answer by splitting the string using hashtag, and you are all set. And to verify that this answer is actually correct and that the information is actually coming from the scraped data, we can then go back to the scraped data and take a look at the first sample. Here we go. YSA, that says youth spirit artworks. So hopefully this episode sheds some light of how to fine-tune your own customized model scraped from your own PDF document and share a couple of tools for you to use at the tip of your finger. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like.